it, Sarah. Tyler. Tyler. Papa. Okay, birthday boy. Hi, birthday boy. How's your day going? Good. He said I have to stop calling Tyler. I have to call him birthday boy. Well. Huh? What do you mean? Yes. Blanche-Neige. Sarah. Sarah, look.
Ga je weer even zitten? En hier. Coucou Sarah. Coucou.
What is this, Sarah? Boat.
Et pourquoi on s'arrête, papa?
I don't know, Tyler.
Oh.
Dit is de patroon move, dames en heren, jullie moeten goed blijven zitten alsjeblieft. Mesdames et messieurs, pour votre sécurité, la directement et voilà.
That's the train we did earlier. Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Welcome to It's a Small World. Remain seated at all times and please, no smoking. Thank you. Bienvenidos al mundo pequeño. Quédense sentados durante el viaje y por favor no...
We're going in. I think so. Sit properly, please. Sit back. You don't need to hold on to that. No, that's fine. Wow, Sarah, look, flowers. Look up. What's that? Look. What's that? There you go. Look, Sarah, giraffe. Sarah, look at the giraffe. Sarah, look. It's definitely this one I was talking about. Hollywood. We're in a maze. Boo! Boo, Sarah! Boo! Leave the door. Ah! Come! Come! Sarah! Who's that? Boo! Which way Tyler go? Tyler, don't go too far away. Sarah? Go, Sarah, go, 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 go. Wait. Sarah, look up there. Look, Sarah, look up. The eyes up there. It's watching you. Go.
Attendez les filles.
Look.
Non, Imani.
Honey, pick her up. Let you see up there. You want to see it? Tyler, stop. Sarah, look.
Wow.
She loves looking at the eyes rotating. Wow.
Listen to her.
Wow. That's the eyes. Okay, the maze continue. So now we are at Peter Pan and we're going in.
I am here.
Oh, Tyler, look! Wow! Hey, she has an arm! Just did Peter Pan, which was very cool. Now we are heading to our hotel to have dinner for the birthday boy, and maybe we get to come back later. Let's see, but the day is not done yet. Right, Ty? Ready for dinner? Yes.
Also, don't forget I want to buy a Star Wars lightsaber.
Okay, if you don't get to buy the Star Wars things that you want to buy today, you can buy tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
We still have one more day. Right. Whoa! That waterfall is so pretty. Hey! A beautiful waterfall right here. So a nice photo spot. So pretty. You guys along the street have a lot of stores and restaurants. Yeah.
Gift everywhere.
Everywhere. Every one of these stores are gift. If you come Disneyland and you don't get a gift from Disneyland, you weren't here. Period.
What is that your first Disneyland?
Nothing. Nope. Nope.
We went in it.
Nah. Nah. I would have a full-blown memory of that. The only thing I remember I got here was popcorn. I got no gift at all from Disneyland the first time I came. Oh my gosh, look at Sarah's friend over there. You have to carry Sarah right there. Go. Oh, but there's a line. Aww. Sarah girl, see Minnie over there, so. No, Sarah, Minnie, Sarah favorite. But if Sarah go dinner time. Hi, birthday boy. You good? What you drinking? Sparkling what?
Right.
Sparkling Sprite. Hi, birthday dad. Ooh, food is here.
Ça va, princesse? Tiens.
Merci. Hot, 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 hot. Hot, hot.
Ça, je mets ça vers où?
Mais
Voilà, messieurs, dames. C'est bon?
Pour le,
Pour le gâteau?
pour le gâteau, comment ça marche? Il y avait pas le sous.
oh oui,
Je crois qu'on avait mis un starter.
Ah, pardon, exactement, j'ai oublié.
Le sous.
Oui.
Pas de souci.
Come put it in front of sister.
Ok.
Voilà. Pardon.
Merci. Okay, so we have fish and fries. We have pasta and tomato sauce.
Want to
We
change
have cowboys of what's in it?
There's
It's
ribs, sausage, and chicken.
Ooh, and potato and corn. And I have salmon and green beans and a little rice. This looks good. Who is not in? Who is not in? Me is not in. Sarah. Cuckoo. Tyler, that's for you. Listen. Sit. Merci. How cool was that tie? Oh. Oh my God.
Bien happy? You're super happy? Les oreilles de Mickey, elles ont l'air bonnes.
Wow. Let me get a photo. Wait, let me get a photo. Wait, tell a smile. Put your hand on top of Tai Tai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go! Yay! Wow, Sarah, that's yours. Say thank you. Say thank you. She say yeah.
You're gonna have to control her. Look at her.
Everybody came and sing for your dad. How cool was that?
But it's just that they don't know how many there.
That's so
All them, they
cute.
were 6 years old. I told them. So they knew. Okay?
That was the best thing ever. No? That was so nice. Alright, you guys, we've entered our hotel room for the night at Disneyland. Then when you enter, this is what you see. Storage for your luggage and for your clothes. And most importantly, a safe for all the important things when you're in the park. Then on the right we have the bathroom, sink, and ta-da! You go to Disneyland and you don't have a Mickey, you never go. So I got my Mickey on. I've been dreaming of buying my Mickey ears and I finally got it. And you have the toilets. You have a good sized shower going on here. You have wash rags, soap, toiletries, towels up there, and bin down here. Okay. And you have, what is this? What's this supposed to be? Just the work area. There's nothing behind here? Ah. Okay. So that's a door to the other room, but that doesn't concern us. You have a place to hang your jacket. And here you have
My bed.
Tyler bed. We are in theme Toy Story room. So you have Woody up there and all the Toy Story little characters coming out. And the village that we're in looks very cowboy, so that's why you see all this cowboy looking thing. And then also because we're in the Woody room, the Toy Story room, hence why more cowboy things is in this room.
Mama, look
Have a little.
here.
Yes, hold
And
on.
there was Hollywood Tower.
You have the bed for baby and I here, and they said that baby bed is here somewhere, but we don't really care for it because we always walk with Sarah bed, so we have Sarah bed somewhere. And we have drawers here with storage, and on the TV you have Bienvenue Monsieur Delaveaus Ludovic au Disney Hotel Cheyenne. That's the name of the hotel that we're at. Hotel Cheyenne. Yes, Tyler?
Is that you see the attraction with the teacup you was talking about? When I look at the TV,
You saw it?
I saw it, and now I know what you're talking about.
Ah, okay.
Because when
So they
I
have
was outside, I didn't saw the teacup.
Ah, okay.
Without the TV, I see the teacup.
Okay, it's here.
Yeah.
That's what Sarah and I rode today. And this one too we did. Alright, so continuing along with the room tour, you have a nice little seating area. Oh, that's solid and feels good. And
That's what we do
you have the woody curtains, and the view from the room is just around the back. Bushes, greenery, nature. So yeah, this is our space for the night. We also have a ceiling fan, and the area is pretty cool. Check out the lamp, you guys. All Toy Story. That's pretty cool. And you have this big mirror here, which is super nice. So there you go with the hotel tour for tonight. And yeah, the day continues. Aren't you having the best birthday ever?
Yes, and you will never believe what happened to me when we was at the restaurant.
Tell them what happened to you.
No, you tell them.
They sang happy birthday, everybody in the restaurant, and he was so happy. Right?
Yes.
And look at you, how tired you are. Are you tired right now?
Yes, but we are going to open the gift.
I completely forgot about that. So Papa gone for the gifts and the suitcases and Sarah bed. Yes, come. You can come and take off your shoes and relax.
On my bed.
Okay. You ready to get out? Come. You look very tired. Okay. Birthday continues. Sarah, help brother open his gifts. Look. No? Sarah, look at Tai Tai. Look at Tai Tai. Help him. Open. Help him to open. Who is that one from? Tata Idalina?
Yes.
You can rip the paper. Rip the paper. You don't need the paper anymore. Ooh, birthday boy. Open some gifts.
And I knew it was that.
You say?
Thank you, Tata Idalina.
And who's that one from?
Tamanu.
Ooh. All right.
This one is a Spider-Man.
Spider-Man what?
Wow.
That's a Lego too?
Yes.
Wow.
2 Lego to do.
Wow. All right.
And now I wonder which one is this one that I chose.
Oh.
Oh, what is that?
It's Papa and Mama.
What is that? So you guys, we just carry a few of Tyler gifts here so that we can feel birthday. But some more gifts are at home.
Which one is this?
Star Wars.
That's it, please.
Watch your face, watch your face. What is it? What is it? Tell me. Is it figurines that you don't have?
Yes.
You happy?
You guys know that he's obsessed with Star Wars. Look at him,
Next one.
Alright, next.
No, don't open this one. Open the other one. This one is for the end.
Well.
See why?
What is that? Power Rangers. He's into Power Rangers lately and he's been asking for Power Rangers. So hey, we did right by him. One thing we learn with kids, don't get them what they don't want. Get them what they ask for. They'll be happy. No, babe.
Oh yeah, we just
Lesson
make him go in
learned.
the store, show us about 10, 15 things that he like, and you just take 2, 3 that you think you're gonna like the most of all of them.
Alright, don't get him things that you like as a parent unless it's something important.
I want to watch this one. I think it's a Lego one with Obi-Wan and Luke Skywalker.
Oh really? Well, you won't know unless you open it. I love his little scream. What's that? Stormtrooper what?
Costume.
You've been wanting that, huh?
Yes.
You don't have that one?
Yes.
Excited?
You happy with all your gifts?
Yes, because the next time I will go to the place where there will be where we do Star Wars photo and there will be the stormtroopers. I will put on my stormtrooper outfit.
So you're gonna wear your Stormtrooper outfit tomorrow?
Yes.
So no, thank you, Mama and Papa.
Thank you, Mama and Papa and Tata Manu and Tata Idalina.
And everybody else who sent you gifts that you haven't opened as yet.
Yes.
And
There's
thank
still
you
other one.
Yes, say and thank you everybody
And
else.
thank you everybody else. And so why did you do that to me?
Because we couldn't bring all of your gifts here, we just bring some. So when you go back to Nice, you'll open the rest.
Okay.
I still have all my Mickey ears that need to come off because it's the end of. I love it. It's the end of Tyler's birthday. Tyler, how was your day?
I give it a 5-star.
Hey!
5-star.
Hey! I love that. Sarah!
5-star. I give
Sarah!
it a 1,000 star.
Oh yes.
Then you guys already know
He
what's
has the
good.
birthday of his dream.
Oh my
A
god.
birthday of his dream. And this is not finished. There's tomorrow.
We'll be here for tomorrow, but we're ending out today on a good vibes and good note. So hopefully you guys enjoy Tyler's birthday special. Hopefully you guys enjoy today.
it.
I had a good time and Tyler even had a better time, and this little one have a even better time than everybody else because she just jumping and enjoying the rides and having a good time with the food and everything else.
Sarah, when she does something and she like say,
Wee!
When she sees, she said,
Wow. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sarah said tomorrow. Say tomorrow. Say tomorrow. Say tomorrow. 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 Tyler, tell the faves thank you for all the birthday wishes that they sent you.
Thank you for all the birthday wishes you sent